I was in Silicon Valley on the last week of July to the first week of August. And can you imagine that within the span of 3 months, we are now gonna enter into I would say, a really wonderful office, yes?
Yes.
For one thing and one thing alone, ask me what? Creativity. What's the word?
Creativity.
And personally, sobrang importante sa akin yung creativity because when I was in Silicon Valley, nakita ko that what restricts organization and companies is their level of creativity. What's the thing about creativity? Hindi mo siya kayang mag-guarantee. Tama ba? Bigla na lang siyang sumusulpot. So when I was in Silicon Valley, I only had one realization. I was in LinkedIn, I was in Facebook, I was in Google, and there was one common denominator. The physical environment is conducive of creativity. So sabi ko, I wanna bring it to the Philippines because pagbalik ko ng Pinas, yun yung nakita kong wala dito. Everybody's just looking at computers, everybody's stressed, everybody's caffeinated. So sabi ko, hindi pwede. I wanna make sure that everybody is conducive with regards to creativity. That you guys win. Ask me why. We will be staying true to our words that effective 2025, we will solidify all our e-com solutions. Pinaganda po natin yung office to make sure that we can support you 100%.